Hey kids, welcome to the magical world of Harmony Hill. Nestled in a valley of rolling green hills, Harmony Hill is a cheerful town where animals of all kinds live together. Life is peaceful here because everyone follows one golden rule. Treat others the way you want to be treated. But one morning, something unusual happened. A strong wind blew through Harmony Hill and scattered the town's magic bell of values. A golden bell that reminded everyone to live by the town's core values. Oh no! The mayor, a wise old turtle named Tilda, called for help. The bell's pieces are lost across the hills, she said. Without it, we may forget what keeps us kind and united. A group of young animals stepped forward to help. Luna, the brave little lion, Benny, the honest bear, Raya, the respectful rabbit, Finn, the responsible fox, Milo, the patient monkey, Tess, the thankful turtle, and Pip and Poppy, the teamwork-loving parrot twins. Together, they formed the Harmony Helpers and set out to find the lost pieces. Chapter 1. Kindness in the Forest. Deep in the woods, the helpers found a squirrel stuck in a thorny bush. "Oh no!" cried Luna. "We have to help him!" They gently untangled the squirrel, gave him some water and bandaged his paw. "Thank you," the squirrel sniffled. "Take this. I found it near the river." He handed them the first piece of the magic bell. Lesson: kindness can lead to unexpected rewards. Chapter 2. Honesty at the lake. By the lake, Benny accidentally broke a canoe paddle while playing. "Oh no," he said, looking guilty. "I have to tell the truth." He confessed to the boat owner, who smiled and said, "Thank you for being honest. Accidents happen." The owner gave them the second piece of the bell that was hidden in the canoe. Lesson: honesty builds trust. Chapter 3. Respect at the cave. They reached an old bear's cave, where a shiny piece glittered inside. "May we please come in and look around?" asked Raya with a bow. The elder bear smiled. "Because you asked with respect, you're welcome here." They found the third piece nestled in a pile of stones. Lesson: respect opens doors. Chapter 4. Responsibility on the mountain. As they climbed a steep hill, Finn carried the group's map and supplies. "It's a big job," he said, "but I promised to take care of it." When a gust almost took the map, Finn held on tight. Phew. Thanks to his responsibility, they stayed on track and found the fourth piece near a pine tree. Lesson: responsibility means doing your part, even when it's hard. Chapter 5. Patience in the meadow. In the sunny meadow, flowers covered the next bell piece. "We have to wait for the bees to finish their work," said Milo. Some were bored, but Milo stayed calm and watched the bees dance. Finally, the bees flew off and they carefully picked up the fifth piece. Lesson: patience helps us make better choices. Chapter 6. Gratitude by the stream. They met a deer who offered fresh berries and a place to rest. "This is so kind of you," said Tess. "We're really thankful." The deer smiled and revealed the sixth piece from under a log. Lesson: gratitude brings joy to giver and receiver. Chapter 7. Teamwork on the cliff. The final piece was across a deep ravine, too wide to jump. "We can't do it alone," said Pip. "Let's work together," chirped Poppy. Using vines, branches, and each other's strengths, they built a wobbly bridge and crossed safely. And that's how the Harmony Helpers found the pieces of the magic bell of values. They returned to Harmony Hill as heroes, reminding everyone how important kindness, honesty, respect, responsibility, patience, gratitude, and teamwork are. Thanks for joining me on this magical adventure. Until next time, remember to treat others the way you want to be treated. Bye!